This spring's wet weather is a reminder of just how much damage floodwaters can cause. Standing water in streets or yards can damage vehicles and property. Through Mayor Greg Ballard's Rebuild Indy initiative, engineers at the Department of Public Works are designing projects to improve drainage and to reduce flooding all throughout the county. Some of the solutions include sustainable elements like rain gardens and porous pavement. Other projects simply improve the city's infrastructure, allowing water to drain faster. While the city does its part to combat flooding, residents have a responsibility too. Oftentimes, leaves and debris clog inlets where stormwater is designed to drain. When water can't drain, water accumulates and flooding occurs. There are more than 10,000 miles of drainage facilities in Marion County, and approximately 6,000 of those miles are on private property. City crews don't have the resources to clear them all. Therefore, city ordinances place the responsibility on residents. Clearing storm inlets is easy. If you notice branches, leaves, or debris clogging an inlet, don't ignore it. Pick it up, move it, and throw it away. Doing your part to keep storm inlets clear will relieve standing water on your street and could keep floodwaters from damaging your property.